सूरज पंचोली सलमान खान का फोन नहीं उठाते थे। क्यों नहीं उठाते? इस 1 घंटे का कैप।
Hi, Suraj.
Hi.
At the center.
Yes.
Hi. This is your first stage appearance. What got you so emotional? What was your thought process at that point of time when you entered the stage?
See, I see. This is a dream launch. What people call a dream launch, it is one, and I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors. People who are much more talented than me, much more good-looking than me, have a better body than me, but they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
सूरज एंड अतिया, आप दोनों ही लोगों से सवाल है, क्या आप लोगों ने सुभाष जी की पहली हीरो देखी थी? क्या उससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिली आपको दोनों ही लोगों को?
Yes, I saw it when I was very young, but I don't think we can ever be compared to that on that platform. We've tried to create something different and something new, and I hope we have his blessings, and yeah.
सुभाष जी यहाँ.
One second.
Left.
Just one. Let me just repeat that similar question to
Yes,
Suraj.
Hero. It keeps coming on cable. It keeps coming on NBOD and cable. So I've watched Hero, I think, about 10 times, but in pieces. Hero, when Salman sir told me that that he's got Hero for us, that is the day I got the DVD and I saw the whole film. And I think it's a very, very, very good film. The same can't be made again. What Jackie sir did, I can't do.
I was thinking that you'll do better. अभी बोल रहा है मेरे को ये. पहले बोल दिया होता.
I tried my best.
Salman, here on your right. सलमान, फिल्म पहले 4 अगस्त को रिलीज होने वाली थी और अब पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो क्लैशेस की वजह.
क्योंकि हमने वेलकम को वेलकम कर लिया.
ओके सलमान, व्हाई सूरज एंड आतिया फॉर दिस फिल्म? क्योंकि सूरज ने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि वो बहुत आपका फोन उठाते नहीं थे और इग्नोर करते थे.
आपका इंटरप्रिटेशन तो कमाल ही है. हाँ,
तो व्हाई सूरज एंड आतिया?
ये आपको ऑलरेडी दिख गया प्रिंट के अंदर, या देखिए चैनल है ना. अच्छा, तो कोई बोलेगा कि सूरज पंचोली सलमान खान का फोन नहीं उठाते थे. क्यों नहीं उठाते? इस 1 घंटे का कैप्सूल बनना चाहिए इसके ऊपर, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. और बिगनिंग से चलना.
Hi guys, this is Bhavna from Z News near left. Can you see me?
Yeah.
सूरज, अक्सर जब हम सलमान से पूछते here.
Yes.
जब भी सलमान से पूछते हैं बॉलीवुड का नेक्स्ट सलमान खान कौन होगा, वो आपका नाम लेते हैं. आप अपने और उनमें क्या सिमिलैरिटी देखते हैं?
मैं नहीं. I don't know why he says that, and I think I need to have a conversation with him because I don't think I can keep up with him. He is a legend, and everyone knows that. But it's. I don't think anyone would say that. See, today, if I become a big star and I go like, that's the next Suraj Pancholi, it's a very big thing for me to say, and I don't know how Salman sir sees me as the next him. But thank you, sir.
I don't see you as next him.
No, not him, but
I see you that you will do really well. And the slot that I've been doing, when I started off in the industry, that young, थोड़ा सा action, थोड़ा सा romance, थोड़ा comedy कर के जो बच के निकला हूँ. I think that.
Salman, real life में कोई similarity?
He's got this great quality that he picks up things really fast. So he does action really well. He looks really endearing on screen. He is a young man. He can romance, and when he beats somebody up on screen, you can tell that man is getting hurt, and it's very convincing. So this is the slot that I thought that I.
निखिल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कितनी बार जब शूटिंग हुई फिल्म की, जब सलमान ने रशेस देखे, तो कितनी बार रिजेक्शन मिला है सलमान का आपकी शूटिंग?
कितनी बार रिजेक्शन मिला?
हाँ, मतलब कि बार ऐसा सुनने में आया था कि कि क्रिएटिव चीज़ें और होनी चाहिए और अच्छा होना चाहिए.
No, Salman's input from day one, जब हम लोग script पे बैठे थे,
has been rejected.
जब script has been rejected, correct. No, so I think Salman was very clear कि he wanted the day he called me and he told me I want you to make a film with newcomers the way it used to be made. जिस तरह से बनती थी, जिस तरह से मेरा लॉन्च हुआ था, उस तरह से make those kind of films. I was coming out from a very small film at that time called D-Day, and मैंने बहुत ही छोटी film उस time पे बनाई थी. And Salman, when he saw a certain things that we had made, he said, Nikhil, I want Salam Ishq. I want it to be bigger. I wanted to keep...
in the bigness of the way he shot Salam Ishq,
yeah.
Not the result
Yeah.
You guys don't scare me like this.
Yeah. The bigness, the way, yeah. So, for me, I couldn't have asked for a better producer. Somebody who kept pushing us to the limits, kept telling us that you need to make it, go back, try make this bigger. And so it's not as if there was no rejection. It's just every time we were discussion stage पे बात होती थी कि ऐसे करो action को we used to come with references and say ये action को बड़ा करो, इसको ऐसा करो, climax को और भी बड़ा करो, ये actors को so it was always a collaborative effort and he kept pushing us to make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.